Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 3D circle in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page. Now we want to insert 3D circle. Firstly, go to the Tools section and select the Shapes drop down menu and select the Ellipse tool. Then draw this tool, press Shift on our keyboard. Then go back again the Tools section, select the Move tool. Now we can see we insert a circle shape. Now we want to make this circle shape a 3D. Go to the Layer section, select the circle layer, then select the Layer Effect option and check mark on the 3D option. Then increase the radius or soften or opacity, etc. Then you can change the direction to this circle. Then click close. Now we can see we make a circle 3D very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.